How to download Outlook email. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do exactly that. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you do is open up your web browser, or if you have the Outlook Mail app, you could open that and search for Outlook Mail and head over to Outlook Login. From here, just click on the sign in option and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you should be able to get to your Outlook. So once you get here, you're going to have to open up the mail that you want to save or download. So let's say if I want to save this mail right here, I'm just going to tap on it. Now, if you scroll down, you can tap on the three lines that you see here on More Actions and tap on this one. Then you will have an option to save this. So if you don't see the save option, you'll find something called download. You could download as EML file or MSG file. Just click on download as EML and you should be able to download this file right here. Now, if you want to open it up, double click on it. You could choose any app that you want to open it up on, and you should be good to go. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.